Home sweet home. You can see the ocean. I haven't seen this color or the shape. I almost feel like these are too big. Best part of the day. Keeping routine even when you travel is so important. I'm meeting one of my best friends for coffee who I never get to see because he lives in LA, so I need a change. It's actually 80 degrees. I love New York. This makes me miss LA. It's insane weather. It's beautiful. It's 80 degrees and perfect and middle of January. Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi, my baby boy! Could you sit like a good boy? Could you sit like a good boy? Hi, sit. Can you sit? Good boy. Oh, I missed you so much. Oh, I missed you so much. Don't pee. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what are these wines? Hi, my boy. Oh. No jumping. Sit. Can you sit? Good boy. Good boy. What are you doing?
Sending out 1099 forms.
Woo, working girl.
Taxes.
Hi. You're so perfect. You're so perfect. You're holding my hands. The big buffoon. Oh, bless you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, I love this thing. I love this thing. Scratch the belly. Scratch the belly. Scratch this boot. Scratch this head. Scratch this boot. Scratch this head.
Scratch this boot. That's it.
Just got ready for the beach. Going with friends. Good morning. I'm going to vlog today, my full day. Last day in LA before I leave for Korea tomorrow, which I will also obviously film. Let's make a coffee, I feel like. Cute is this little thing. It reminds me of Milo. Made a coffee.
You made some coffee.
Hey, war rag.
You should be calling you slut.
Hey, you want to see something cool? Watch what I can do now with my little... Don't show me.
I'll blur you out. You're on a tripod.
Am I on a tripod? No, you're on a tripod. Who's on a tripod?
You're on a tripod.
I was like, I'm sideways.
Good morning, darling.
Is that your electrolytes?
Yeah.
You left a bottle of water here in my kitchen, and I grabbed it and I drank it. I spit it out all over my kitchen. That shit is nasty.
It tastes like the ocean.
It's disgusting.
One, I remember.
Well, people,
Oh my God.
you can turn the lights on. Want to try it?
Go ahead.
You're a Boston fan?
You gave it to me last time.
Okay, let's go to Pilates.
Straight up, big squeeze, and then four, clearing that band out for 3. Down, right there, if you want to weight straight up. Way out to the stretch. How do you guys, we're gonna not take.
You're such in good mood when you don't eat. You're like a little slice of heaven when you don't eat.
I'm home. I'm going to Bella's in a little bit to spend my last night with Milo. And then I need to pack for Korea. Luckily, since I don't live here, my suitcase is already packed, so it's just like refolding stuff. And I'm saving space to shop. Treatments and shopping need to be done in Korea. Korea will probably be its own vlog, I feel like. I have a call.
Followed by pound.
Is a few things, and we can talk through each thing.
And then we can work through the details. 20 or 25 hours, and whether...
I'm just gonna refold everything and repack all my stuff. Maybe take a couple things out that I'm not bringing, like swimsuits. I don't see myself swimming in 20-degree weather. So cute. This is my sister's company, the Bitch Knits. But I got it in Paris and I love it. Oh, my sister also made me these cashmere gloves that I'm bringing. Okay, I'm on my way to Bella's. Say hey, vlog.
Well, I look terrible right now. Please don't put me.
Hey, vlog. No. Come here. Yeah. Yes, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Are you so perfect? I wish you could come to Korea. You don't like seeing suitcases, huh? We're making like a mushroom, chicken, potatoes situation. I'm down with this darker vibe. It's easier on the eyes.
I just had all these fixes. These were all out.
Oh, no way. Like mushrooms?
Yes.
So how do we do that?
You had to do it before.
You just popped them out before you cut them. Oh, shit. An extra step. De-stem the mushrooms, people. Oops. Okay. Why is it blinking? I think it just means it's recording. What? It's Jade. Okay. Cut an onion. This is very much a cry your eyes out onion. Oh my god. You guys, I don't think I can do this anymore. This is like the worst onion I've ever cut.
Why is this happening? Okay, so the only thing is should we use my skillet? Thoughts? You can wash my skillet tonight.
What?
You can wash my skillet. I hate washing this fucking.
Like it's an honor?
No, like it's a punishment.
You have a body yaddy yaddy. Welcome.
And I'm going to pepper in the fact that I am gay. Wait, hold back. Too strong. First, I will start with the fact that I am homeless.
What the fuck are you
Pepper in the
saying?
fact that I am gay.
What are you saying? Can I get canceled for this?
No, it's John Mulaney. I am homeless. I am gay. I have AIDS, and I'm new in town.
What?
You know, it's the end of the bit. It's the whole bit about how the guy came up to him on the street, and that's what he said. First, I will tell him that I am homeless, as that is a given.
Okay, I get it. And scene.
foil.
Yeah, why did you scream that? Do you want to reveal this for my vlog? This one. Ready? Ready. Fuck, I knew that was gonna happen.
Let him go, let him go.
No, don't let him go.
I feel like don't let them go.
Why?
Because they're gonna fight.
I think
they're
it's
gonna
good.
fight.
We're gonna have some fucking dog trainer in my comments telling me
For
what I
sure.
should have done.
Me looking up at you going,
Are they salted, Libby's?
Yeah, well, they should honestly probably have something on top.
You don't want to do it. Really unhealthy, maybe.
Yeah, I think it's that.
But like, no. It's just you're getting in cold water back.
Where the fuck are the polar bears? Like, he jumped in and I went, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Polar bears are up north.
Dogs are so weird. Now
Nothing
they're just
really
chilling.
dangerous
Now
for
they're
humans.
Literally the worst.
Yeah,
So-
nothing really.
hardcore height.
Not even hardcore, but
is
like
Jake
one
vlog.
of them apparently was really
burned my tongue.
hardcore, and we
Do you have blueberries?
I skipped that one.
Yes, I do.
Because I was
Pass
staying
me a
up every
plate.
night to watch sports.
I'm so high. I'm so sorry.
Pass me a plate.
Here's Jack.
Was he like, bro, this feels great?
Problem.
This isn't cold at all. Wait, wait, wait.
This is
Right? No, get all the plates.
Sarah
Just
split
put
up the
plates
video,
down.
that one
Oh
and
my
this
god,
one.
you are so high.
Because,
So give that to Henry
Jack
or
was-
Elizabeth.
Stop the video in the middle so people. He comes like right up next to the bed. Thank you. I think polar bear probably needs that.
No idea if this is good.
Bunch of different types of
Yeah, should we
seals.
tell them that?
why.
We've never made this.
That's fine.
This might be shit.
Congrats.
Good morning. I might do this collagen mask after I have my coffee and journal. It's Medicube. I go to Korea today. I'm so excited. I still like to have like my mornings and my routine in the morning. Like I like to journal and have my coffee. I'm having my coffee. I just had a really great little journaling session. I feel like it would be nice to do a little chatty catch up for a second. It got me thinking about life. I've really noticed that small, consistent habits like journaling for 5 minutes a day or taking a walk or 5-minute meditation morning and night, whatever that one thing is that I feel like is easy and accessible and convenient, but also like creates a big impact in your life, can be so life-changing, which for me that's journaling, even if it's 20 minutes a day or 5 minutes a day. I talk about this with my therapist a lot, that I kind of feel like I'm the type of person that needs like massive change in one sitting, sort of. So I'll focus on like what's everything I can do right now to take my stress away or to make this easier, or it's just like very 0 to 100. There's not much balance or understanding that sometimes growth and things like that can be like small and buildable almost, and that's sometimes even more beneficial than trying to, I guess, just like rush your growth and progress really fast. And I also even feel like that's kind of how therapy worked for me as well. It wasn't like some big overnight shift where I was like, oh, now it all makes sense, but it was consistently showing up, going to these sessions, talking through even when I felt like I had nothing to talk about. And then with time, I feel like that's when I realized like, oh, I've matured and grown the most from, and I've gotten the most out of this experience being consistent instead of trying to have some like massive breakthrough day 1 or day 2. And that's also why I want to introduce the sponsor of today's video, which is BetterHelp, which you guys obviously know what BetterHelp is if you watch my vlogs. I especially love BetterHelp because you can do it from the comfort of your own home, which is how I do my therapy, and it just makes it really easy and convenient. They are an online therapy service, and essentially you fill out a questionnaire, they match you with a therapist. If you don't like your therapist, you can change it up free of charge, no penalty. It just makes therapy very easy because you can do it from your house, which is how I do my therapy. When you've been in therapy for as many years as I have, sometimes it's easier to do it from your house. I will have all the information down below. If I forgot anything, I can write it on the screen. If you guys are interested in this and any of this resonates with you and you're looking for a therapist, I feel like 2026 has been the year of us trying new things and taking care of ourselves, hopefully. So if that resonates with you, I will put a link in my description. You can also go to www.betterhelp.com/OliviaJade and get 10% off your first month of therapy, which I'll write on the screen. But yeah, sorry for that tangent, but my journaling got me thinking, and then I thought this would be kind of a nice time to talk about what's been on my mind. And I'm having my coffee and then like finish packing. I'm getting picked up in 30 minutes. But it's nice to wake up early and, you know, have my coffee, do my journal, see my mother. Can you leave me Korea, Rex? If you've been, I'll love you forever. Why? It's a big ass airplane.
Can't wait for the bread selection.
Ramen as a refreshment. This is a barbecue chicken cider.
You know.
That's